Okay, so as you see, I took this off. This is actually sharp. It actually is. If I can find... Oh, I got a piece of paper right over here I can use. I went to Dollar General to get these for the bushcraft kit. So, as you see, I actually took it off. This thing was a pain in the butt, because I guess this was in my pocket a lot. But yeah, it's pretty sharp. And yeah, it can slice through cardboard. Like something like okay, y'all know um the one, you know, the things that that I call prep pads come in. The front of it, this can cut it easily. So yeah, because I'm probably gonna be using this knife pretty soon, to test and all that. Also, I know how to use this. Yeah, what you do is the other. Let me get the other side out. Okay, anyway, the other side of it, as you can see, you lay it on a flat surface and you use this like a sharpener. So you know that. So yeah, I asked good workshop how to use it, and they told me that's what you do. So yeah, that should help people too. Anyway.